Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to start playing Football Manager. First, pick a club that offers a comfortable beginning, perhaps one with a healthy transfer budget and a solid roster of players. This allows you to learn the game's mechanics without immediate pressure. Next, consider delegating some responsibilities to your assistant manager and other staff members. This streamlines your workload, letting you focus on key decisions like transfers and match tactics. It's a great way to ease into the managerial role. Once you've chosen your club, it's time to think about tactics. For an easy start, select one of the game's preset tactical styles, like control possession or gegenpress. These provide a solid foundation without requiring deep tactical knowledge immediately. Then, ensure your players are assigned roles that match their natural positions and key attributes. A balanced formation, such as a 4-4-2 or a 4-3-3, often works well for beginners, offering stability in both attack and defense. While generally excellent, there are a few considerations. True plug-and-play often works best within the Samsung ecosystem, meaning pairing Samsung devices together. Sometimes, more advanced settings or specific functionalities might still require a quick manual adjustment. Also, very old devices might not fully support the most current plug-and-play features. Occasionally, an internet connection is needed for initial software updates to ensure optimal performance. On match days, you don't need to watch every minute. Use the key highlights mode to see the most important moments, allowing you to quickly grasp the game's flow. Be prepared to make tactical adjustments during the match if things aren't going your way. A simple change in mentality or a substitution can make a big difference. After each game, review the post-match analysis. This feedback is vital for understanding what worked and what didn't, helping you refine your tactics and training for future success.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.